In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Payoneer account. Verifying your account is an essential step to fully enjoy all the benefits and services that Payoneer offers, ensuring seamless transactions and account management. Let's dive into the process to get you set up smoothly and efficiently. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and search for Payoneer. This can be done on any device with internet access, be it your computer, tablet, or smartphone, whichever you find most convenient. Once you're on the Payoneer homepage, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, be sure to set up an account first before proceeding to the verification process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your profile icon or your name displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will open a list of options, and from there, you'll want to choose the Verification Center. The Verification Center is where we'll need to focus our attention to fulfill the necessary requirements for your account verification. Now that you're in the Verification Center, you'll see a list of requirements that need to be met. These can generally include identity verification, residence verification, or business verification, depending on the type of account and purposes you're using it for. Take a moment to look over this list and identify the specific requirement you need to fulfill. It's crucial to ensure that you understand which documents are needed so that you can prepare them accordingly. Once you've identified what's needed, the next step involves uploading the required file. This could be a utility bill, a bank statement, or an ID, among other accepted forms of documentation. Ensure that the document is clear and legible, as this will make the verification process more straightforward and faster. Also, make sure that any sensitive information is well captured in the scan or photograph of your documents so they're accepted on the first go. After uploading the necessary document, the final step is to click the Submit button, which will send your document for review. The Payoneer team will go through the submitted document to confirm its validity and ensure everything is in order. This process could take a little bit of time, so be patient as they verify your information. Once it's approved, your account will be fully verified and you'll enjoy complete access to all Payoneer's features. And that's it. You've successfully completed the verification process. Thanks for following along with this guide. And enjoy the benefits of secure and enhanced functionality with your verified Payoneer account.